Welcome back to West Coast Gardener. This week I'm going to show you how I seed my pepper plants, how I separate them so they can grow into big strong plants like this jalapeno. Watch until the end and I'll show you how I like to mark my plants. And like and subscribe so you never miss a video. And if you hit that bell, you'll always get a notification. As usual, we will get our soil ready. Use a potting mix, not something from the garden that's way too heavy. Add some water. You're going to stir it around. You'll know it's ready when you can pick it up, give it a squeeze. It holds its form, but no water comes out. I decided to use coconut coir containers. I'll fill them up with soil and I'll just be sure to pack it down. I'll take my seeds and just put them 1 to 2 millimeters below the surface of the soil because they are small seeds. These are jalapeno and bell pepper. To water, use a spray bottle until they have germinated, and at that point you would water from below. Peppers will germinate best in a warm environment. I use a heat mat, but you can also put them above your fridge or somewhere else that's warm. The jalapeno and the bell peppers took about 2 weeks to germinate. They've been growing for about a week now, and they're starting to get crowded. They can't be in the same pot for too long. The true leaves are starting to come. It's time to separate them. Sometimes I will just pinch off the extra plant that isn't as strong, but this year I just couldn't do it. I had to repot. I'd rather give them away as gifts. I will take a little seedling here, put a pencil underneath, gently lift it up. In the new pot, I will create a well using the pencil, turn it around just to make a nice little spot to place it in. Take my little seedling and gently ease it in there. I just use the pencil to help gently guide it down in there. I'll use my hands to then firm the soil around the seedling. You want it to be kind of firm in there. Then you want to water it. To do that, take a container, put some water in the bottom of it, and just place the seedlings in there, and they will draw up the moisture. They go through a little bit of a transplant shock sometimes, so a little bit of watering is definitely beneficial. My favorite way to mark my seedlings and plants now is just to use a wooden coffee stir stick. And I just write on it with a small permanent marker and snap it in half and pop it in the plant. And look at this plant now, he looks so cute. Be sure you subscribe so you don't miss any videos, including when I put these guys outside.